This past weekend, I was visiting some friends, and when I came home, I wanted to make something quick and simple and delicious, so let me show you how to make one of my favorites, summer rolls. The protein in my summer rolls today is going to be some shrimpies, but you can use chicken or beef, whatever you have on hand. I'm just sauteing these in some sesame oil and then cutting them in half so they fit a little bit easier inside the summer rolls. Go ahead and set your shrimp aside, and then we're going to wash and cut our veggies. Today I'm cutting up some carrots and cabbage for crunch, and then some cucumber for that nice refreshing bite. I also went ahead and washed up some bean sprouts and sliced some jalapeno for heat, and then you can't forget your green onion and mint. Now for the fun part, go ahead and dip your spring roll paper in some water, careful not to dip it too much, it will disintegrate, and then begin your assembly. I like to top mine with about 4 shrimp halves, making sure to leave room on either side of the roll. I like to layer on crunchy cabbage. These are some rice noodles that I let sit in water for a little bit. Layer on those cucumbers as well as those bean sprouts, and then we're gonna add some jalapenos for heat. Throw on some carrots, and then I like to add a good amount of mint and green onion as well. The mint and green onion pack so much flavor. I definitely recommend it. If you don't like it, you can leave it out. And then from here, you're just gonna fold this like a summer roll or a burrito. So go ahead and tuck in really tight and roll. The rice paper is pretty sticky and will adhere to itself. If you've added too much filling, you can go ahead and wrap this in another roll as well, since these aren't super thick. And I will never leave you hanging on a cross section, so let's go ahead and cut into the summer roll. These are great for lunch and dinner. They are super filling without feeling heavy. I like to serve mine with my homemade peanut sauce. I hope you guys try this out and enjoy.